How to set up Face ID on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on the Face ID and passcode option you see there. You will then be required to enter your passcode, so go ahead and enter your passcode and then tap on the Set up Face ID option you see there. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to add in your Face ID. So tap on the Get Started option you see there and go ahead and position your face in the camera frame and then move your head in a circle to show all angles of your face. So complete your first scan, and once your first scan is completed, go ahead and complete your second scan, and with this, your Face ID will be set. So this is how you can set up Face ID on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.